When I have to study, anything else but studying. Yeah, if you don't have a solid study guide and a plan and activities planned out for your study routine, then that is really easy to happen. Just shuffling around, looking through papers, not studying. Again, I do I get it. I get it because there's so much organizing and everything that has to be done. But with a solid study plan, so get a Pomodoro planner, plan your activities for each of those study blocks, plan what you're going to study, meaning the concept, how you're going to study it, meaning the activity. Write that all down for the week, the month, and then sit down and go through those Pomodoro planners. I have a template in the description if you need help planning your study sessions. It has a whole bunch of study activities that you can track, and then a Pomodoro planner so you can plan each of your study sessions. And that will really help with this anything else but studying portion. Hopefully we can switch it around so that the orange is anything but studying and then the blue is your actual study time. I wonder if this is also the person that took 6 days off.